Welcome to Discount Water Supply video. We're going to show you how to disconnect and prepare a water filter or softener for transport. This is the WaterShield brand, an eddy valve that looks like this in the back. This method will work for you. So we're going to, first thing to do is put it in bypass. See these bypass knobs right here? They're shaped like arrows and they rotate until they point to each other. The unit is now in bypass. That means you still have water to the house. It will not go through this unit here. Next step is you have to depressurize it because it still has water pressure in it. You hold down your regenerate button. It may have an R, it may have the word regen. Hold it until you hear the motor start making noise. There it is. You will hear water coming out the drain hose. When the water stops, you have depressurized your tank. That was the motor running. When the water stops, you depressurized your tank. At that point, you may disconnect power. Next step, we're going to disconnect your hoses. This is a salt hose if it happens to be a softener. Pull the clip out, pull your hose up, lay it aside, put this in your pocket. That way you have it when you need it again. Same with the drain hose. Pull the red clip, pull straight up, set it aside. Now we're going to disconnect the water pipes. The bypass will be attached to your water pipes. You will still have water to your house when you disconnect this unit to take it in for service. This kind of pliers right here. Loosen. There's two. Now notice we're here, not here. Disconnect that, you will be really wet. You can thank me later. Unscrew these nuts here, these connector nuts. Now, in real life, the bypass stays still because it's on pipes and you pull this away from it. So there you have that. I'm going to set this aside. Secure the cord. Let's just wind it around like this. We're going to remove the valve from the tank. Some are harder than others. Be gentle with it. About 5 turns, you'll see it start to come up. Water will come out. It's okay. Once you feel like it's loose, you lift straight up. Most of them don't come out this easy. You may have to pull on it. That tube in the middle may come up. Don't worry about that. Lay the water out of it and set it somewhere safe. Keep this rubber ring. You'll need this later. If you have a tank jacket on your tank, lift up. It's just a cover. Goes right off like that. Foam strip. Take that off next. If the tank cover is dirty, bring it to us. We'll clean it for you. Now there's water in here. We're going to lay it down and let the water out. Pretend there's water. When water stops coming out, or you start seeing the resin or carbon come out, stop. Stand it back up. It'll be a lot easier to transport with about 80 pounds of water going out of it. Take a plastic bag, put it over like that. Take some tape, wrap it around. Now you can safely transport it. If you have a hand cart, put it on the cart, get it out to your vehicle. You can lay it down in a pickup truck. The bag just keeps the material from coming out in your vehicle. Secure it so it doesn't roll around and bring it to us. If you have any questions, call us 407-323-9010. Thanks for watching.